welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J. Smith here. Today we are going to be talking about the new marykay spring collection that it just launched, and I am super excited, you guys, because the products are pretty cool. Okay, look at this. This is a beautiful new purse that it just came out with. Ain't that cute? Look at that purse right there. Super excited. Okay, so they came out with 6 new limited edition products. They came out with 3 illuminating drops, and the first one is called Silver Sand, the second one is called Golden Horizon, and the third shade is called Bronze Light. You can see from the swatches on my arm that these colors are beautiful. Okay, now illuminating drops are like new to me. I have never used them in my makeup, so this is a total first impression for me because I've never used illuminating drops. So we're gonna play with those drops today, and I'm super excited. But next up, marykay also came out with 3 limited edition lip tints. They came out with 3 shades, namely Canyon Coral, Desert Flora, and Magenta Mirage. And next up is the newest launch in the marykay regular line, and this is the new Perfect palette that he just came out with. Honey, she is perfect indeed. Okay, look at that design. Look at that design. You just want to take her everywhere with you. She's just beautiful. And the great thing about this new palette, this new compact palette right here, is that it takes much more colors. If you remember what the old compact the marykay used to have, you had pretty much just a square here to work with, and the other side was for your brushes, okay? But now they made both sides to be magnetic, so they can actually take all your products. So it's totally up to you if you want to put your brushes here and your products here, or if you want to do your whole collection. But either way, I think this is a gorgeous new palette, and I'm super excited. I love it. So yeah, guys, let's play, okay? Let's play. So I haven't watched any YouTube reviews on this product. This is going to be a first impression for me. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is start with our base, and I'm actually thinking about mixing a little bit of the drops with my foundation on one side of my face, just so we see, you know, if it gives us that extra glow, you know. So let's start with our face. I'm gonna first of all start with my marykay facial reviving spray, and next I'm gonna go with my marykay primer. So next up, I'm gonna go with my marykay makeup finishing spray. Alright, so I've already mixed my foundations. As you guys know, I mixed my medium coverage 600 with my bronze one time-wise. So I mixed them and I just kind of divided them into 2 sections here, because I'm gonna add a few drops of the illuminating drops on one part and use that on one side of my face. I think I'm gonna go with the bronze light. 1 drop, just like that, okay? And I'm gonna just mix that. It hasn't really changed the look of my foundation in any way. All right, so maybe I'm gonna go with another drop. Perfect. So we ended up using 2 drops, and the first one didn't look like it changed the color of the foundation, but with this second drop, it almost kind of looks that way, like it changed it a little bit. All right, so just like that. I like to wet my brush a little bit, okay? I feel like it makes it better. So now we're gonna just blend. Okay, so that side's done. So now I'm gonna go in with the other side, okay? All right, you guys, so this is my base done. This side, I put 2 drops of the bronze light mixed in with my foundation, and this side has none of the drops. And you guys let me know what you see, if you think one side's glowing more than the other. But in the mirror here, I honestly don't see a difference. I don't feel like one side's glowing more than the other. I really don't, but you guys let me know what you see. I have combination oily skin. My goal today is to see if it's gonna make me more greasy, because I do the rest of my face and, you know, finish up my makeup. We're going to see how it, you know, holds up and what it does to my skin. But right now, looking at it, perfect, beautiful. So now I want us to move on to the eyes, okay? I am actually going to try and use the drops on my eyes, because when I swatch them, I feel like they're super pigmented. I love the colors. So I'm gonna try and do an eye look, all right? And I'm going to incorporate the drops, all right? I'm gonna go into our beautiful perfect palette here. This picture was going all over social media, and it's called the Camel Adventure palette, and I've been wanting to play with that. I put those same colors into my palette, and Sandcastle, Moss, Gold Status, Emerald Noir, Mahogany, and Onyx. Okay, so those are the shades that I have in there. If you guys watched my last video I just did with my husband guessing the price of marykay products, I had some, you know, a nice green eye makeup look there, which I know one of you beautiful ladies commented that you wanted to see. So we're gonna just play with some of the colors in here. I don't know if I'm gonna use all the same colors, but my goal is to figure out how to incorporate the drops into this look. So I'm just starting with mahogany in the crease. I'm gonna pick up Emerald Noir. Okay, and I'm just gonna place that in the outer corner of my crease. So I just carved my eyelids with some concealer, and now I'm going in with the bronze light. I'm gonna take a little drop of that and try and use that as my eye color. So let us see if this will work on the eyelids. Now I did not set my crease with any powder, so this is just my concealer. All right, just patting gently, and I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, I didn't put it all the way to the top because I'm kind of hoping I can put a lighter color there just to, you know, give us the full effect of the halo eyes. So I'm just gonna fan that a little bit, let it dry. I'm gonna attempt to use a silver sand, which is a lighter shade. Just one little drop of that. I'm gonna use this thin brush right here. And I'm gonna just try and see if I can get it in the top lid right here. All right. Just like that, and I'm gonna just put it like just on the center too. So I try to see if I can layer the drops on my eyes, and I would say no. I would say don't layer it. I think just using one might work. But trying to lay both liquid drops didn't really work for me. So it hasn't fully dried, and when I tapped it, it kind of moved. So I'm gonna actually go in with my eye color. Just pick up a little bit of moss. So I'm just tapping the moss shade in between the navy and the drops. So we're actually gonna go over the drops with some eye color because it's still kind of wet, and that's not what I want. I want it to set. So I'm actually gonna go over the drops, so the light area, with Gold Status. Okay, Gold Status is a really pretty color, just to see if it helps set it, and so it won't move as much. I really like this mirror. It is so good. That's a good quality mirror right there. And I love how wide it is, so you can actually see like your whole face in it. It's really good. All right, you guys, the lashes are on, and I'm gonna just do my highlight. So looking at my face in the mirror, I don't know if you guys see anything as far as what you can see on the camera, but I almost feel like this side where I applied the drops in my foundation is more matte than this side that I don't have any drops in it, which I think is pretty interesting. You guys, it's my last video. I've actually liked the way this translucent powder made my makeup look. I think I liked it this way over my yellow powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually go back with Mahogany, the first shade I used in my crease, and I'm gonna blend that under my waterline. So now I'm just gonna go in with Emerald. I'm just gonna blend that under my waterline too. And I did line my eyes with some MK black liner. And then I'm gonna go with Moss also, more on the front corner right here. Now I'm gonna pick up Gold Status, and I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner of my eyes, just like that, just to open up the eyes even more. So next up, I'm gonna apply the illuminating drops on my cheeks. I'm gonna use that as highlighter. As you can see, I already have my blush on, and my face is already all set. And I'm gonna put one drop on the back of my hand and work from there. This is my first time working with liquid highlighters. I've never used it before, so I'm gonna start slow, and I'm gonna go with my finger and just work that. Just dust off my brush. Actually, I'm gonna go over with the brush again and see if we can work that over. Alright, so she's kind of just sitting there. It's actually not moving as much as I thought it would. Yeah, liquid illuminators I think is not for the faint of heart. It's drying down fast. So I think maybe next time what I will do is I will apply it first before I apply my blush. So I'm just gonna try and blend that in again with my cheek color brush. I think it's something that'd be nice on like bare skin, but seeing that I already have like foundation and powder, you know, I think it's a little hard for me to move. I'm used to my powder product, so this is just a little different for me. All right, so next up now, let's try our lip tints, okay? So I already exfoliated my lips, my satin lips. Don't have any lip balm on, so let's go in with the first shade, and that is Canyon Coral. Okay, I've never used lip tints before. So this is a lip tint, right? So I guess it's not very pigmented because I kind of been going over it and I feel like I'm finding it a little hard getting more color. Man, yeah. All right, so this is the most I can get out of this color, and this is the Canyon Coral, okay? And this is the most it looks like we're gonna get today. So next up is Desert Flora. And we're gonna try, ooh. All right, this one seems to be coming out more. So maybe the Canyon Coral I have is faulty or something, but this seems to already be coming out a lot better than the other one. Yeah, this color is definitely more pigmented than the first one I tried. The first one I tried, I felt like it was drying up already. It felt like it was not dispensing very well. So like I said, I think this is a product that you're gonna have to make sure you put the cap on. Don't leave it exposed to the air because I think it might dry out. But clearly you can see the difference from the first one I tried compared to this one. It looks a lot better. What do you guys think? It is leaving some color on my lips that I'm noticing. It's not coming off completely. So that is left for you to decide if that's gonna be turn on or turn off, but it is a lip tint. I guess it's gonna tint your lips. So I'm going in with the next shade, the last shade, and that's Magenta. Okay, so let's see what kind of payoff we get from Magenta. Yes. So you guys, that is Magenta on, and right off the bat I can tell you this is my favorite color, obviously, because you guys know I love you know what. Yeah, this color is wicked gorgeous, really gorgeous. I love it. Very pigmented. Okay, yeah, what are my thoughts so far? Let's start with the Perfect palette. Love it. All right, love it. Gorgeous, beautiful. I see why they call it a Perfect palette, because it is truly a perfect palette. Okay, you guys see that I could use it to do my makeup. The mirror is so, you know, so wide and so big that I hold it like this, I can actually see a good portion of my face in it. Great quality mirror here, okay? So it's a beautiful compact, and as you can see, all your products fit in it. It's gorgeous. I love it. So as far as the illuminating drops, I think these are fun. For me, I like it mixed with my foundation. Okay, if I'm gonna wear this again, I will definitely mix it in with my foundation, because I feel like it gave me a more matte look on this side of my face that I mixed it in with, compared to the other side that I didn't put the drops in. I could see my oil starting to come through on this side compared to this side. It's kind of stayed matte. It's gorgeous. You can use it on your eyes as I did, but I don't think you can layer it. So I think you can just use it, let it dry, and you know, line your eyes and go. Or you can put it down as a base, let it dry, then go over with your eye color. Applying them over my powder products, you know, was a little struggle for me. I will be using them mixed with my foundation because I really like the look it gave me. All right, I don't know if the shade I got, maybe I just got a bad batch from, you know, my order, but this shade did not come out, like it wasn't applying well as it should. This is in like a Sharpie form, which if you leave it out maybe without its cap, it's going to dry out. But that's what I think could happen, because already this is not dispensing enough color. There's a floral, it's good, it came out well, but clearly this magenta is very pigmented, like it came out very well. So it is watery, so it makes it very light. Doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel tight or drying. So I guess the concept of this product is, you know, something light, something flirty you can wear, that's easy to wear, that's easy to carry around. What I'm noticing so far is that it is gonna leave a little tint of color or a little hint of color on your lips, which is fine. You know, personally, I don't mind if I have a little color on my lips. It'll give you a nice hint of color, and you can just go with that with some lip gloss, and you look like, you know, this is the lips that God gave me. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know what you think about this new spring collection that Mary Kay just launched. Be sure to leave your comments down at the bottom. Let me know what your favorite products from this launch is. You guys are just the best, okay? Thank you for all your support. Thank you for your comments on my last video with me and my hubby. We had a blast making that video, and I hope you guys got a lot of laugh as I did for making it with him. We are counting down to 1,000 subscribers, and I thank you all for your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button in the corner so you get notified every time I upload, okay? So thank you for watching today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.